Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So today will be discussing few of the questions which are important for your exam preparation. That is for the common entrance test for the subject Electronics and Communication Engineering. So this will be a multiple choice question which I have found and I thought that I will be sharing with you for your preparation. So let's start in the beginning. Today's session only will be for the MCQ questions that is important. So question number 1, when a voltage supply is first switched into a RL circuit, that is a resistance and capacitance circuit, the inductor acts like a what? It acts like a what? So correct answer is open circuit. Why it acts like an open circuit? Why? Because previously, immediately there was no current, that is the current was zero. At that time, the inductor, it will be zero. But suddenly when the current is given, at that time what happens? Initially, it acts as a resistance. That means it will not allow, and gradually then it will start allowing, slowly it will build and it becomes short circuit. So open circuit is the correct answer. So question number 2, the three basic elements of generalized communication system are. What are the three basic systems? Already we have studied in the last videos. You can refer to the last videos. So the correct answer is transmitter, that is transmission channel, and receiver, right? The medium in which the information travels, we call it as transmission channel. Transmission for sending any information, the energy which is to be transferred. Receiver, the receiver side, the energy which is transmitted through the transmitter medium when it has to be received, that is nothing but receiver. So the correct answer is transmitter, transmission channel, and receiver. All right. So we'll go to the next part, that is question number 3. In a low pass filter circuit, as the frequency approaches 0, the gain approaches to 1. It will be, the correct answer is 1, not infinity, not 0. It will be 1. All right, let's go to the next question as you have given it here. In some of the circuits, please refer to those circuits also. So question number 4 is the sensitivity of a radio receiver indicates. The correct answer is the ability to pick up weak signal, right? Sensitivity. When the word sensitivity comes, please remember that is the ability to pick very weak signal to remove the noise. That is nothing but we call it sensitivity. Question number 5, a device that converts non-electrical signal to electrical signal is called as transducer. So that's very important. Transducers, sensors, and actuators. Please remember, students, you should have complete idea about these 3 topics. So answer for this question, that is question number 5, is transducer. Okay. The good example for transducers are microphone and speakers. Okay. Right. Next question, that is question number 6. An SCR silicon control rectifier is a semiconductor device which have how many junctions? 3 junctions, right? J1, J2, J3, which is shown over here, 1, 2, and 3, right? So it will have 3 junctions, the SCR, okay? So question number 7, in a common emitter amplifier, if the input voltage increases, the collector emitter voltage will typically show a waveform that is, the answer is amplified at 180 degrees. It will go on the top, that is exactly 180 degrees and out of phase on there. Okay, right. Anyhow, so let's go to the next question 8. In resistance welding, the heat produced in a proportional to the square of the current. This is the correct answer for the question. Okay. Then some mathematical question. The duty cycle of a chopper is expressed as T sub on sub T. That is, this is the correct answer, T sub on. Okay. So this should be the correct answer. You can find it out. Okay. Question number 10 is a relaxation oscillator most commonly used in device, that is UJT. What UJT stand for? Unijunction transistor. Okay. So nowadays we use for relaxation oscillator, we use timer circuit, that is IC, that is called as 555 IC for making that timer circuit. Okay. That is nothing but relaxation oscillator. So the correct answer is UJT, unijunction transistor. Question number 11. What will be the value of expression? This is again a mathematical question. So answer is 5 here. Okay. Right. Next is question number 12. Which of the following correct represent De Morgan's law? Right. Both A and B, that is the first one. A and C, that is the first one. AB is equal to A plus B, whereas the C is A plus B is equal to A multiplied by B. It's exactly the reverse of this. So you have to be very careful when the question is given like this. You have to be very, very careful which of them or both of them can be correct also. Anyhow, so question number 13. In C programming, which statement about loop is true? The body of a while loop is executed at least ones. That is the true correct answer. Next question is the addition of the binary number 101, 001 and 010011 results in what answer? Right? 1, that is 4 ones and 0, 0. So that is, I have shown it here. You can just make it out how it will be the carry leftover. If the carry question comes out, then you have to give the carry answer also. But if here the question is different, so our answer is the B1, that is 111000. Okay, let's go to the next question. What is the correct way to declare a string in C to hold a hello world? That is hello, we call it as hello. So this correct answer is space needed for the null terminator oblique 0 char stage 2 bracket 6 is hello. You have to give, this is the correct answer for that. The people who have already studied C, then they will come to know about this. Anyhow, question number 6, a Wien bridge is commonly used to measure a frequency. Please remember, this Wien bridge is used for frequency meters. So the correct answer is frequency. Question number 17, a cathode ray tube CRT, the source of electrons is what? It is indirectly heated cathode made of barium and strontium, right? So the cathode ray tube CRT sources indirectly heated. That is what material? Made of barium and strontium. Okay. Okay. So let's go to the next question. 18. An oscilloscope probe marked multiplication, that is 10, is an alternator probe. It is nothing but alternator. What is alternator? Attenuator probe. What is attenuator? It is a what? Device that reduces the amplitude or power of a signal without, please remember, this is without significantly destroying its waveform. Next question, 19. A high quality factor Q of inductor can be accurately measured using Hayes bridge. The correct answer is Hayes bridge. The question number 20 is the most important characteristic affecting the accuracy of frequency counter is its time-based accuracy. Right? It is time-based accuracy. Frequency counter, you can see the instrument in the hand, that is we call it the frequency counter. Next is 21. In a simple DC power supply, the primary function of filter circuit is to remove ripple from this rectifier output. Very simple. Okay, that is the work of the capacitor. 22nd is digital weighing scale most commonly use which type of transducer? It's use a force transducer. We call it as a force, right? Please, force transducer. It's not called as a weight or something like that. It's called as force transducer. The answer should be force transducer. Question number 23. An example of a broadcast mode of communication is radio. We call it as a radio communication, right? Okay, the broadcasting. For broadcasting purpose, we use radio communication. All right. So next question. That is question number 24. Which of the following is an acoustic transducer converts sound wave to electrical signal? The microphone. We have just discussed the transducers. I gave you example also. The speaker and a microphone are the good example of transducer. Here the correct answer is microphone. 25th is the relation between velocity of propagation, that is V, frequency N, and wavelength, that is lambda of a wave is, the correct answer is V is equal to N into lambda. So these are the questions which I thought that it will be important. That's why I've given you this question. So all the best for your exam. And please follow my channel. I have given different topic wise. I have made videos for you and with the question answer also in that. So all the best and thanks for watching my channel.